Today we purchased new chair. It is Vortex Emerge gaming chair. We didn't necessarily look for a gaming chair, but this one is for office. We just felt comfortable when we were looking for. We purchased this from Staples and we are going to assemble it. First thing is to open the package and see what's inside. This is all what it was in the box. We took all out of the packaging and this is how it looks. All disassembled, every part that we need. Here are instructions and we'll see what it says. We'll go per instructions, which is easier. First thing per instructions is to make sure that we have all pieces, and there is 8 sets that we need, which is back is here, and then seat, then armrests, seat plate, gas cylinder, base, casters, and telescopic arm is already on the cylinder, and of course screws and nuts for assembly. First step is to put casters onto base. Okay, this is done. Step number 2 is to put cylinder into base. And at this step, I already checked, we just need to put it in and cover it with a telescopic item. And that will be it for now. The securing this cylinder will be on the end. Once we assemble chair, we will sit in and the weight of the person will push the cylinder in and secure it. Step 3 is to assemble seat on the top of box, hand thread all screws prior to fully tightening with Allen wrench. So that will be next step. Once we flip the seat, then these holes are guide for screws, and instructions are really cool, saying which step is next and what part is to be assembled. Like step number 3, part A, 4 screws, and it's all nicely separated for that step. Step 3, part A, and 4 screws. Cool thing, they also provide Allen wrench. Per instructions, it says we need to hand tie it, but I think we will need to use this Allen wrench because of this blue thread lock, I believe. It goes just a little snug, so it's good to use Allen wrench, but instructions are hand tight, so that means that we don't need to tie it all the way till we position all 4 screws into place. So all these 4 screws are hand tight, still using the Allen wrench, just because they are a little snug, but I'm gonna now fully time once I have this item in the place, which looks good. And that is tight. Step number 4 is assembling armrests with screws B, 4 of them. Again, nicely explained. Step 4, part B, 4 screws. Every step tip is hand thread all screws prior to fully tightening with Allen wrench. We need the hand tie, but I have to use Allen wrench to get to the hole. Actually, I made a mistake. This goes on this side, and that's it. And here on this side, hole is there, and okay, once we have assembled the arm rests, just hand tight, now we're gonna assemble the back with 4 set screws for these holes, and again hand tight. Then on the end we will tighten all together. Okay, we need to align these holes with screws and use Allen wrench for it. What is important to mention here, number 5 step and 6 are separate for bottom and top screws in the back, which is, this is top screw and here is bottom. That is separated in 2 steps, number 5 and number 6. Now that I have all 4 screws hand tight, I'm gonna time completely on the back and armrest, and that will be completion of the step number 6. Step number 7 is plastic covers to cover screw holes. And that's it. One more on that side. That's it. And whole chair is assembled. Nice gaming chair. Emerge coolies, that is big enough. Seat is really long, all the way to knees, and armrests can be lifted up. So whoever sits down can go inside or can put these rests down and type on computer. It was easy, 10 minutes job. I will recommend follow instructions, and it's not hard at all, 8 steps. Chair's good. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to see when I use it, and maybe hear some reviews, but this is pretty much straightforward, cool chair, not too expensive. Staples has it. Thank you for watching.